It was funnier when Chase was in here telling me to stop.
Right.
Wow, Chase was like a speck out there.
Yeah, I gotta get me a beater. That is the epitome of fun right
Just like no cares in the world.
there. Yeah.
If it breaks, it breaks.
Oh.
I wish Chase would just take the L and realize that I was right. Nobody's coming down here. We have Gear in the back.
Roger. 7 gear.
Dilly Willy. Yeah, boss. Driving.
There's Tyler and Chase with an axle.
Yeah, they're out there. This is the new.
Oh, here we go. We got the unicorn.
We need to. Oh. There's the unicorns.
One of 2. There's another one here.
His
Like,
antenna thing is a solid.
Okay, see, I just.
Oh!
Yeah.
Almost got him.
I'm just like, go down further.
He wants that video. The camera's over
That is
here.
true. I bet that was a pretty cool.
Camera's here.
I bet that was a pretty cool shot.
Too close for comfort.
It's a unicorn squad.
See, he's taking it slow.
Unicorn squad.
Dude, that thing is full of water.
Is that what it's doing?
Yes, did you see it leak?
Leaking?
Like, yeah, it was full of water from the rain. Look at it sloshing around.
Yeah, we always can pick y'all out.
You stand out.
Chase is coming. Yes.
All the way down. All the way down.
Froggy friends. It's a frog.
Yeah.
Huh?
Oh.
Froggy friends. Yeah, boss. It's a little baby frog.
They came and told us not to stand on the racetrack.
Lame. Alright, we gotta figure out like what we're gonna be called.
How are these engines?
Like us?
Dillon.
Okay.
GLD.
GLD.
It's the GLD. Sling that mud, boy. Yeehaw.
There you go.
I give that like a 7 out of 10. Need some work. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna rate them.
We're gonna rate them?
We're gonna rate them. That's a good idea.
Nobody gets a 10 out of 10.
We got the unicorn squad back. He's struggling.
No, he's
You-
full on crab
I
walking.
think he's.
I think that's on purpose. I think it's
You
intentional.
think so?
It might be. He's doing pretty well. I can do that. Burn it out.
Yeah, he knows.
But they're coming slowly. But look, just look at him. They're
Yeah, he's
just,
doing it.
just beautiful.
He's getting it.
Let's get out. What's your score?
6 out of 10.
Bye, Uni Squad. Oh, here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna give you like an 8 out of 10.
That's pretty good. 5 unicorn squid, 9 squad,
9?
9.
9. All right.
Never a 10.
I'll move to 8. 8. Okay, so we've agreed that next time we come out, we're gonna have scorecards.
Yep.
So, bring your A game.
Big ones.
Big, huge one.
What?
Sell it,
I'm
yes.
doing it. Sell it.
Oh, we got some reverse action coming out the woods.
already, I'm gonna tell you this right now, the Cadillac, they have their windows, look at them. Every single one, yeah, 9.8 out of 10. They're just having so much fun with it.
Right, it's about the fun.
Unbelievable. Where? I'm thirsty. I'm hungry. And my phone's about to die.
Oh, no.
With the unicorn Frontier. Is that what it was? Was it a Frontier?
I think so, yeah.
Perhaps. 7.5. It was for loudness, 8.
Right, I agree.
Okay. Oh, we gotta have a multi. We gotta have loudness. How far the muds go.
Oh, okay, yes. How far
like
and style.
Right.
If they do a little.
Yeah,
right.
Are they stopping
So
a lot?
I don't know which truck we were rating because I was
Hi.
This one again.
All right, here
Well,
we
no,
go.
he's done now, so. Oh, is he putting anyone in danger in some of the duck points?
Okay, I like it. All right, here we go.
Loudness is still, I've heard louder. Still an 8. This was really high. But overall, 7.
7?
Yeah, he did a good 2 minutes worth, I guess.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, overall score.
7.5.
7.5.
He just put him in danger. 6. 6.
Points deducted. You almost died.
Anytime,
Yeah, 6.
anytime you hear, whoa, turn the camera.
Yes.
That's what we do.
Yeah. I agree.
It's like we were
6 out of 10 on filming too. Oh, my bad.